Hello, my wonderful family. How you all doing? I thank you all for tuning in. God bless you. So, guys, I want to show you how I make this delicious, beautiful party jollof rice. Yes, so party jollof rice. So, guys, let's get started. First of all, I brought out some red bell pepper and fresh pepper, onions. I chop them together. Then I blend it. So after blending, and I'm continue with the oil that I've used to fry the meat. So as you can see, I pour in the chopped onions. So I'm going to give it some time, like 1 minute, to toast as it to steam. So I now add some thyme and nutmeg. After then, so I now pour in my tomatoes and the blended pepper. So I cover it for some time. So at this time, I turn it and now add all the spice, maggi, curry, um, some salt, and the breaded crayfish. Yes, I like breaded crayfish in my food. So I now add this spice, this Nigeria spice. Is so nice. It's so nice for jollof and for stew. So I cover it for like 2 minutes. Then I now pour in the rice. After that, I pour in the stock. So I cover it for like 4 minutes. So this time I pour in some water. Then I cover it. So guys, I want to use this opportunity to thank you. I thank you. You guys are blessed. Please guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please help me to hit that red button and subscribe, and make sure you turn on the notification bell. Give this video a like, guys. Thank you very much. God bless you. So as you all can see, this rice is getting ready. It's getting ready. So I then cover it with foil paper. So I will leave it for some time. So it's getting ready. So I pour in the chopped onions and the chopped tomatoes. I will cover it again. So this time the food is ready. It's ready. As you can see, it's very beautiful and delicious. Guys, this food is so delicious. So this is the meat. It's time to eat. Guys, come and join me. Let's eat together. Thank you, guys. I really thank you. You can see the rice, so beautiful and delicious. So thank you, guys. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you. Once again, please subscribe to my channel. Subscribe, guys. Leave your comments down below. Please, guys, please, if you can support me for my membership, and there's super chat there, please support your sister, support your friend. Thank you so much. Thank you. I love you guys. Bye bye. Have a nice day. I will see you guys in my next video.